Why would the Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is a shahid of every event? Every event is a shahid. Sayyidina Abu Bakr al-Shibli radiyallahu ta'ala, this is how he answered to the angels. Angels left him and they went away. So now you understand the concept of shahada, or witness or testification of Sayyidina wa Maulana Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Inshallah ta'ala we will continue on this series, the next session inshallah ta'ala next week. Allah give us tawfiq and hidayah. Allah give us courage and give us love and respect for His beloved Habib sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka antas sami'un alim wa tub ya maulana innaka antat tawwabur rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wal 'asr innal insana lafi khusr illa alladhina amanu wa 'amilus salihat wa tawasaw bil haqqi wa tawasaw bis sabr. Inna Allaha wa malaikatahu yusalluna 'alan nabi ya ayyuhalladhina amanu sallu 'alayhi wa sallimu taslima. Allahumma salli 'ala سيدنا مولانا محمد أحرق القلوب بإشق لقاء جمال حبيبك سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وبارك وسلم. اللهم ربي زدني علما وارزقني فهما. ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا